Are you thinking about starting your locksmith business? Here's how to launch with just the basics. No shop, no fancy bin, no problem. Learn the skills. Start with online locksmith training or on-hands experience. Focus on residential rekeying, lockouts, and installs. You don't need to master automotive or sales right away. Keep it simple to start. Get legal. Florida doesn't require a statewide locksmith license, but some states and counties do. Check your local city or county for registration rules. You will need liability insurance and possibly a background check. Register your business and file for a tax ID. Obviously, start with essential tools. Grab the basics: rekeying kits, picks, a key duplicator, and quality locks. Locksmith Keyless ships fast, and we can guide you through this journey. Get your first jobs. Create a Google business profile, post in local Facebook groups, or partner up with property managers. Target rentals, snowbird homes, or new homeowners. There's always a rekeying work. Work from your car or truck, no shop needed to start. It is always a good idea to start a locksmith business. Low barriers, high demand, and 12 months of work. Need affordable locksmith gear to get going? Head to locksmithkeyless.com or give us a call if you want a more detailed guide. Do not forget to subscribe for more locksmith tips.